Hello, everybody. I'm going to read you another book today. This book is called The Book Hog. It's by Greg Pizzoli. He's a Geisel Award winner, so you know it's a good book. It's a new book. It was copyright 2019, so it's only been out for about a year. The Book Hog loved books. And he had quite a few. Whew, that's a lot. He loved the way they smelled and the way the pages felt in his hooves. He especially liked the ones with pictures. He picked them up here and there. Anywhere he could find them. But the book hog had a secret. Shh! A big secret. He didn't know how to read. He had never learned. He was surrounded by books, but the book hog couldn't read a single one. The book hog went to bed every night without a bedtime story. That's sad. No bedtime story. One morning he went out looking for more books. He came to a long, low building, and he smelled some books inside. I wonder if you can figure out what kind of building this is. Maybe at the top of the page you can read what that says, even though it's not the whole thing of all the letters. You might be able to tell what it says, and you might know what kind of building he found, or he smelled the books inside. He snuck through the stacks, adding several books to his pile. But then a soft voice said, "Would you like to join us for our story time?" It was Miss Olive, the librarian. "Pick out a book, and I'll read it with you." The book hog blinked. Then he swallowed. "You'll read a book with me?" "Of course," said Miss Olive. "As many as you'd like." This gave the book hog an idea. "Wait here," he said. He went home and he came back with some books. That's a lot of books. There's so many that they're falling off his little wagon that he has behind his motor scooter or whatever you call that thing. It's a lot. Miss Olive led story time, and the book hog listened closely. He heard many stories, some funny, some sad, some kind of in between. Over time, and with practice, the book hog learned to read on his own. but maybe that's a little bit dangerous. It looks like he's reading while driving. Hopefully you never do that when you're old enough to drive. And hopefully your parents do that. Don't do that. He grew to love books even more, not just for the way they looked and felt, but for the stories they told. And yes, the book hog still takes a lot of books, but he always brings them back. The end. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.